Dear students, today we will solve one example of cost sheet in estimated cost sheet in Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 1 for second year BCom semester 3 V Nirmal South Gujarat University. Here is the question. The following particulars are obtained from the books of Prachi Limited for the year 2015-16. Production and sales 6,000 units. Direct materials, direct wages and direct expenses are in proportion of 7:4:1. Factory overheads rupees 1,80,000. Office overheads rupees 90,000. Selling overheads rupees 1,20,000. Selling price per unit rupees 203.50 and total profit rupees 1,11,000. It is ascertained that 60% of the factory overheads fluctuate directly with production and 80% of the selling overheads fluctuate with sales. During the year 2016-17, it is anticipated, number 1, the production and sales will be of 10,000 units. Number 2, direct wages will increase by 25%. Number 3, fixed factory overhead will increase by rupees 15,000. And number 4, office overheads and fixed selling overheads will increase by 25%. But otherwise no changes are anticipated. Prepare a cost sheet for the year 2016-17 showing the price at which the unit will be sold as to earn the same rate of profit on cost as in the year 2015-16. First, let us understand the question. Here we are given production and sales unit 6,000 in the year 2015-16. Factory overhead, office overhead, selling overhead, all overheads are available, but direct material, direct wages and direct expenses information is missing, but they are in the proportion of 7:4:1. Further, we are given selling price per unit rupees 203.50 and total profit. So we need to go reverse from sales to prime cost to find out direct material, direct wages and direct expenses. Further, we are informed that factory overheads 60% variable and 40% fixed and selling overheads 80% variable and 20% fixed. So first we will prepare cost sheet for the year 2015-16 but in reverse order to calculate direct material, direct wages and direct expenses, and then we will prepare estimated cost sheet for the year 2016-17 by giving the following effects. Here is the statement showing working for material, wages and direct expenses. First of all, we will take sales 6,000 units multiply 203.50 per unit selling price already given in question. So our sales amount to 12,21,000 and per unit 203.50, so rounded off 204 less profit. Profit already given, total profit 1,11,000, so per unit it is 19 rupees. So our total cost amount to 11,10,000, that is sales minus profit 11,10,000. Now you can simply check over here, our profit is 10% of total cost. Our profit is 10% of total cost. Okay, yes. Now from total cost we will deduct selling overheads, which is 80% variable and 20% fixed. So 96,000 variable and 24,000 fixed, and per unit 16 rupees variable and 4 rupees fixed. So next we get cost of production rupees 9,90,000 and rupees 165. And now from cost of production we will deduct office overheads, that is 90,000 rupees total, and per unit 15 rupees. So next we get work cost rupees 9 lakh and per unit 150. From work cost we will deduct factory overheads, which is 60% variable and 40% fixed. So 1 lakh 8,000 variable and 72,000 fixed, and per unit 18 rupees and 12 rupees. So finally we get prime cost, that is direct material plus direct wages plus direct expenses, amount to rupees 7,20,000 and per unit rupees 120. Now prime cost carries direct material, direct wages and direct expenses in the ratio of 7:4:1. So now we will work out direct material cost, that is prime cost into 7 by 12. So 7,20,000 into 7 by 12, that is 4,20,000 total and 70 rupees per unit. Direct wages is equal to prime cost into 4 by 12, that is 7,20,000 into 4 by 12. So 2,40,000 total and per unit rupees 40. And direct expenses is equal to prime cost into 1 by 12, that is 7,20,000 into 1 by 12, 60,000 rupees total and per unit rupees 10. So like this we worked out material cost, direct wages and direct expenses. Now from this given information we will prepare estimated cost sheet for the year 2016-17. Here is the estimated statement of cost and profit for the year 2016-17. Our production and sale is 10,000 units. Particulars: cost per unit and amount. Dear students, please remember, while preparing estimated cost sheet, first we consider cost per unit and then we find out amount. Direct material. There is no information about changes in direct material cost for the year 2016-17. So it will remain constant rupees 70 per unit. Multiply by 10,000 units. So total amount rupees 7 lakh. Direct labor. In the year 2015-16 it was rupees 40 per unit, and there is an increase of 25% in direct labor. So new direct labor cost per unit would be rupees 50. Multiply by 10,000 units. So total amount rupees 5 lakh. Direct expenses, there is no information of change. So per unit it will remain constant rupees 10 and total amount rupees 1 lakh. So we get prime cost per unit 130 and total amount rupees 13 lakhs. Now in prime cost we will add manufacturing overheads, fixed and variable. In last year fixed amount was 72,000 and there is an increase of rupees 15,000. So our total manufacturing overhead fixed amount to rupees 87,000 and per unit rupees 8.7. Variable manufacturing overheads, there is no information of change. So per unit it will remain constant rupees 12 and total amount rupees 1,20,000. So we get factory or a work cost per unit 150.7 and total 15,07,000. Now we will add office expenses. Previous year it was 90,000 plus there is a change, increase 25%. So total office overhead amounts to 1,12,500 and per unit 11.25. So we get cost of production rupees 161.95 and amount 16,19,500. In cost of production we will add selling expenses, fixed and variable. Last year fixed rupees 24,000 plus increased by 25%. So total amount 30,000 and per unit rupees 3. Variable overhead, there is no information of change. So per unit remain constant rupees 16 and total amount rupees 1,60,000. So finally we get cost of sales or a total cost rupees 180.95 per unit and 18,09,500 total. Now we will add profit, as already we have calculated in the year 2015-16, and same rate of profit on cost is to be maintained for the estimated cost sheet of the year 2016-17. It was 10% of total cost. So 10% of 180.95 is 18.095 and total profit 1,80,950. So finally we get selling price per unit 199.05 and sales value 19,90,450. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture.